E-Control Devices is one of the first leaders in bringing innovative and sustainable solutions for EV sector in India. We take pride in being the global support system for EV manufacturing companies across the world. We are actively supporting our clients with all our expertise and knowledge. E-Control Devices is a trusted authorized channel partner of globally renowned companies like 3M, Eaton, Omron, and Panasonic. E-Control Devices is working with OEMs and contract manufacturers with innovative ideas and supporting them in their R&D, prototype, and bulk requirements. Our vast range has components for bonding solutions, thermal management solutions, connecting solutions, sensing solutions, and other smart solutions for various industries like electric vehicle, lighting, telecom, defense, medical, and consumer electronics. Our comprehensive and extremely competitive product line include thermal pads, silicon pads, gap fillers, thermal tapes and film, thermal adhesives, relays, connectors, sensors, EV fuses, and circuit breakers. We live by the dream of becoming the most desirable company in the field of distribution of high-end quality and latest in technology products. For more information, visit our website, www.econtroldevices.com.